This is a view of Tropical Storm Arthur from the International Space Station. Arthur is forecast to grow into a Category 1 hurricane on Thursday, with wind speeds approaching 75 miles per hour, halting some 4th of July plans on the US East Coast. This satellite animation footage shows Arthur churning off the coast of Florida. The National Hurricane Center lifted the tropical storm watch for Florida, but warned Arthur could produce dangerous rip currents along the coasts of several southern states. Beaches have been closed and fireworks shows delayed in anticipation of heavy rain and strong wind. Earlier today, the storm was located about 100 miles east-northeast of Cape Canaveral in Florida and is expected to move north towards the Carolinas. With the 4th of July celebrations on the horizon, Arthur threatens to spoil America's most patriotic holiday along the East Coast, depending on the intensity of the storm.